Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale songs on Beat Saber. First, ensure you have the PC version of Beat Saber, as custom songs are primarily supported there. You will need to install a modding tool to enable custom song functionality. This process typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes for initial setup. Once modified, you can easily add hundreds of community-created tracks, including many from Undertale, enhancing your game significantly. To begin, you will need a dedicated Beat Saber mod manager. Popular choices include Mod Assistant or Beat Saber Mod Installer. Download the latest version compatible with your game. After downloading, launch the mod manager and select the essential core mods, such as custom songs and song loader. Click Install to apply these modifications. This step is crucial and usually takes less than 5 minutes to complete, preparing your game for new content. Now that your game is modded, it is time to find some Undertale songs. Head over to community sites like beatsaver.com, which hosts thousands of custom tracks. Use the search bar to look for Undertale to discover a wide array of fan-made maps. Download your chosen songs. They usually come as a compressed folder. You will then place these folders directly into your Beat Saber Custom Levels directory, which the mod manager helps create. With your Undertale songs installed, launch Beat Saber. Inside the game, you will find a new custom songs or solo section where all your added tracks are listed. Browse through your collection, select an Undertale song, and start playing. If a song does not appear, double-check its placement in the Custom Levels folder. Remember to update your mods if the game updates, ensuring continued access to your custom music library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.